Ready to unlock the future of trust and transparency. Blockchain for beginners. Unlocking the future of trust. This video is for educational purposes only, not a financial advice. Imagine a world where every transaction is secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. Welcome to the world of blockchain. Whether you're new to tech or just curious about how digital currencies work, blockchain is a revolutionary technology that's changing how we share information and conduct business. What is blockchain? At its core, blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Unlike traditional databases, a blockchain is decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. Each block of data is linked to the next, creating an unbreakable chain that's nearly impossible to alter once recorded. This technology ensures that every transaction is transparent and secure, making it the backbone of cryptocurrencies. 3 reasons why it matters. 1. Security and transparency. Blockchain's decentralized nature means there's no central point of failure. Every transaction is recorded and verified by multiple parties, making fraud nearly impossible. This level of security builds trust among users and can transform industries ranging from finance to healthcare. 2. Empowering individuals. With blockchain, you don't need a bank or government to manage your money or data. It puts control back into the hands of individuals, offering a more democratic and efficient way to manage personal and business transactions. 3. Innovation in every sector. Beyond cryptocurrencies, blockchain is revolutionizing supply chains, voting systems, and even digital identity verification. It's a technology that's not only reshaping the financial world, but also paving the way for a more connected and secure digital future. Future impact. Blockchain isn't just a technical innovation, it's a tool for empowerment. For many, it represents a chance to break free from outdated systems and embrace a future where transparency and trust are built into the very fabric of our digital lives. Picture a world where you have full control over your data and finances, where every transaction is a promise kept. This is the promise of blockchain, a promise of a fairer, more secure future for all. What excites you most about the blockchain revolution? Share your thoughts in the comments below and follow Keep Adding Value channel for more crypto educational video contents.